Amber Sullivan was a 24-year-old American with a passion for beauty and a sense of adventure. Living in a bustling city, she spent her days working at an upscale beauty salon. Her evenings and weekends, however, were reserved for something entirely different. Amber was the proud owner of Amber's Enchanted Club, a beauty-themed social club tucked into a charming old building she had inherited from her grandmother. The club was more than just a space. It was a haven for women seeking connection and inspiration. Members ranged from college students to retirees, all united by their love for beauty and self-expression. The walls of the club were adorned with vintage posters of iconic beauty trends, shelves packed with makeup, skincare products, and an extensive library of beauty books. Every week, Amber hosted workshops, inviting renowned makeup artists and skincare specialists. The workshops were a hit, with hands-on sessions that allowed members to experiment with new products and techniques. They learned about the history of beauty, dissected the latest trends, and exchanged tips. But it wasn't all about cosmetics. Amber believed beauty was about feeling good inside and out. She encouraged discussions on wellness, mental health, and self-care. The club even had a small meditation room, complete with soft lighting and serene music. One of the club's most anticipated events was the monthly Glow Night. Members would dress up in their most glamorous outfits and showcase their creative makeup looks. There were no judges, only applause. It was a night of celebration, camaraderie, and positive energy, where everyone felt like a star. Amber's background lent an additional layer of magic to the club. Her grandmother had been a renowned beauty entrepreneur in the 60s, and many of her classic formulations and secrets were still used in the club sessions. Amber loved to share these family treasures with the members, adding a sense of legacy and continuity. One day, while cleaning the storeroom, Amber stumbled upon a dusty old trunk. Inside, she found letters and photographs from her grandmother's time, documenting her beauty journey and the people she had touched. Inspired, Amber decided to create a legacy wall in the club. The wall soon became a symbol of inspiration and empowerment for all who visited. Amber's Enchanted Club flourished, growing in membership and spirit. It was a place where beauty was celebrated in all its forms, and where women found not only tips and tricks, but friendship, confidence, and a sense of belonging. And through it all, Amber continued to honor her grandmother's legacy, blending the old with the new to create something truly magical.